At this point, you've probably either been to Dubrovnik or it's very high on your list of places you want to go. And for good reason. This little Croatian town on the Balkan coast is incredible. But what about the rest of that coastline? You don't really need a lot of time to do Dubrovnik's old town, so why not explore the rest of the region? Instead of flying straight to Dubrovnik, Kelsey and I flew into Podgorica, Montenegro, rented a car, and started driving to Budva. The first stop on our drive is this magical little town of Budva. Honestly, it's probably not even on most people's lists, but it's on the way to Kotor, and it has a magical little old town.
Yeah, definitely worth the stop. Doesn't take long, but the views are epic, and they have cute little cafes. You can get a little snack. So we hopped in the car, headed north to the city of Kotor, and we had some fun. The city sits right in the harbor, and there's beautiful mountains surrounding it. And we whipped up the film camera that we just got over Christmas and had some fun playing around in the streets, took some really cool photos. Now we're gonna head to our final stop of the trip, Dubrovnik. Let's go!
The drive from Kotor to Dubrovnik might have been the best part of the whole trip. There was a light fog hovering on top of the Bay of Kotor, and the road followed the coastline the entire way. Even with all our stops for photos, we were able to make it to Dubrovnik before sunset.
The sunset was probably the most beautiful sunset of 2019, and a truly special way to ring in the new year. The next day we were running on little sleep, so we stuffed our faces with chocolate croissants and espresso, and we were ready to see the rest of Dubrovnik.
Good morning.
Sword, slash, cannon, arrow.
Did you take an arrow?
Shot.
We had a flight that night, so we took the short route through Bosnia on our way back to the airport. It's a country that neither of us have ever been to, and it's just as beautiful as its neighbors. We pulled over in Trebinje and a few other times just to take in the fresh air and the views. There's so much more to the Balkans, and visiting in winter gave us all the time to explore. We already can't wait to plan our next trip back.